Hello from Marine Parade. Today I'm going to explore a few areas focusing on the Joo Chiat route and East Coast route, Peranakan shophouses and some street food. So let's get moving. Have some time more. I'll explore the Marine Parade, Central Market and Food Center, as well as Parkway Parade or Katong Plaza and the Floor Mall. So let's go. Wow, that's the nice church of Singapore right here, man. And we are approaching the I2 Katong Mall right in front. So there's an upscale modern I2 Katong Mall right here. And we are crossing the route to East Coast route and the Joo Chiat route. There's a lot of stuff to see there. Like you see opposite, right, there are some nice shop houses, very Peranakan looking. And I would like to go check out the 1928 Roma B. Something over there is recommended. Yeah, so I'm gonna cross the road. Okay, I've arrived. 1928 Roma BB Private Limited. So this is the shop, man. Let's check it out. So it's actually a restaurant, man. And this is the menu. You have the Ngoh Hiang signature dishes, rendang, chap chai, asam fish, and Nyonya afternoon tea as well. Just check the inside. Wow, architecture very nice. Okay, the next shop is this Jinju. Jinju Guizhang. It's just two shops away from that Roma BB. Lots of people are buying the bajang and some of the snacks over there. And just a few shops away is the home of the Singapore banana pie, Dona Manis. Look at that, man. It's a family shop in 1990. I started in the Katong Shopping Center by Mrs. Esther Lim. And here is the banana pie. Really? So one slice $4.50. Then apple pie, one slice $5.50. And then they have like a chocolate banana pie also. They mix in the pineapple leaf pies and the apple crumble. Oh, check out. There's a heritage chicken pie also at $6. It looks like a curry puff. So they sell some other stuff also. Look at it. Nyonya pineapple tarts. Wow, pineapple tart. This one is so perfect for aunties. They give to your parents or something else. Fish bahu. And the pineapple tarts, man. Wow, I mean, that's the reason I came back. Yesterday I was here also, but the shop was closed. And they have a nice dining environment as well. Very nice architecture. So artistic, so retro, and so many kind of different kind of food and shops. Hey, there's a red house you guys need to check out, man. It's a very Instagrammer photo taking spot right here. Katong Bakery and Confectionery. There's a story behind this. In the olden days, right, this is a hot spot for like matchmaking, the single guys and women who are still single, right? So they'll meet here, right, and have some like kaya toast and coffee, and then after that they think they have a match, right? They'll go over the opposite. Last time the Rossi Square was a cinema, so it's called Rossi Cinema. They go there for a movie there as well. It's so romantic, right? Alright, we've arrived at the 328 Katong Laksa. Wow, let's check it out. By the way, the nice cute dog. So this shop front, man. Oh, there's also outside sitting area. Okay, so we have a chicken laksa and a lala flower ham laksa, $7.80 onward. And there's a drink as well, and some of the side dishes like pong cake, oda, golden mantou, and here they sell some of the Singapore heritage souvenirs and even the Maggi mee. I think this one you can buy from NTUC. So they won a lot of awards and certificates, man. And this is the inside of the restaurant. Wow, look at the private house opposite. If you stay here and if you like Katong Laksa, it's practically 1 minute's walk away. And I'm actually I want to check those Indian temple in front, man. It looks so special. My first time here. And not far from the 328 Katong, right, is this magnificent Indian temple. Oh man, you know, I've been to Sri Mariamman Temple in Chinatown, and this year looks a bit different because the statue here, I mean, above, right, it's sort of like different color. It's more like pink, but the Sri Mariamman have different colors. But here they have a lot. 2 elephants, big one, 2 small one. Okay, check out the Bird of Paradise ice cream, gelato ice cream here, just next to the red house. Wow, there's even the Floor Mall beside the Rossi Square. Wow, what a big Starbucks, man. And there's a Baba Chew there. That is Katong Square, they call it. Whoa, whoa, look at this hidden narrow alley full of the murals on both sides, artwork. Also, don't forget to check out the Singapore Business Center. They sell lots of beautiful like Peranakan shoes, souvenirs, and even the Baba Nongya attire, as well as some cutlery. What a nice Porsche car. There's some nice parking area right here. This is the Joo Chiat route already. Oh, look at their murals. You have a retro quiz record store. You can even learn the Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu right here and shadow boxing or sugar boxing. Check out this shop, Queen Living. They sell so many cute stuff here. And there's even a coffee bar. A Raft of Hope. Oh, of altars. But they sell elephants here. No, actually they sell like lots of cute stuff. The elephant is just a teaser to get people in. All this. Look at that, man. Joo Chiat Community Center. And reach Fowley Road. Katong Joo Chiat is the most colorful heritage neighborhood in Singapore, man. It's just so full of Peranakan architecture and culture. So it was actually once a coastal trading town, you know. So this area has a very rich history, and it's also a community of mixed Chinese, Malay, and Indonesian heritage. You know what Peranakan means? It means it's actually locally born or descendant in Malay. And then Peranakan also means that locally born, right? Descendant in Malay, and then the descendants are actually from intermarriage between Malay, Indonesian, and Chinese or Indian, you know. So yeah, and then do you know what is Baba and Nongya? Baba refers to the male of the Peranakan as descent, and Nongya is the female. So what language they use, man? It's basically like Baba Malay, which is Malay grammar with Hokkien vocabulary. And their food normally have a lot of spices. It's Nongya food, you know. And the female, they wear the sarong kebaya, which is basically a Malay textile with intricate Chinese embroidery. And the reason you see many pet grooming, the reason you see many dogs, right? Because there are actually a lot of grooming shops for the dogs here. Look at this, man. Gao Eng Yong, top 4 wanton mee in Singapore. Yeah, wow. It's insane, man. Check out the Melvin Seafood restaurant, the Katong prawn noodles. So there's an art museum right here. It's all red color, man, on the outside. Some pub here. The hardware store, gallery, art objects and old toys at level 3. Look at this restaurant, man. It's so atas, so romantic. Okay, don't miss out on this shop. Tiong Teng, they sell a lot of rattan chairs and stuff here. So this is the Peranakan Museum, guys. Come in, we are open. Well, they have family show as well. Crazy Rich Asian, $89. Big World, $100. Wow. It's insane, no? But the basic cost is $12 for an entry ticket. And we're moving on to Kun Sen. Look at that. So many beautiful shop houses, man. All these shop houses, Peranakan style. And the window have the design also. But it'll be noisy to stay here because firstly, there are a lot of traffic. Secondly, tourists come here from morning to evening. But there are other different colors of the house. The blue, yellow, grey, pink. And the post box, the mailbox looks special. Okay, there's a building. This one, the yellow one, called JK Center, the shopping arcade. Downstairs there's cold storage, and the other side there's one coffee house as well, Ting Ying. And that corner there's a Damban Food Center. So 这个一定要 try 它的 Hokkien 米跟它的 prata. crispy prata. Then by the way, like they sell the good quality coffee powder here. I think this one. So there's a famous duck rice here, ramen. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, like, and share so more people can find the video. Thanks very much. And I'll see you again in the next video. Take care everyone, and 加慢了呢。